what's up mga Kamix Vlogs guys? Here we go. Back to gym program na naman tayo. So we are in spectrum of disease guys. So back to gym. So mag-elliptical muna tayo bago tayo magbubuhat ng ating mga power strength. Right. So here we go. As you can see. Elliptical tayo. So, best exercise. So, kailangan natin to. Pinagpawisan na tayo ng maraming singot. Diba? Di bali ma-safe tayo to safety issue na mga pag-gym tayo. Right guys? Back to gym program by Mix Bags, Henry Maski BTV.